Hi, this is Ian for the OPPO Pad Air, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first, you should hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one, and by this way we can see that we just successfully created the new home screen folder. To rename it, just click once on the name and enter the new one, for example the apps. Tap to OK the home button, and we can see that we just renamed it successfully. Also, we can just move this folder here on the screen or between the screens to create a new screens with a folder. Just hold it and drag it by this way. To remove the application from the folder, you should just hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove the folder with all of the apps, just hold it and tap the remove folder button. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.